the one I'm going to help you with. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today.
That's your outro.
Oh, that's my outro? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. All right, so we're going to start, because one of the questions you're going to have today might be something a little bit that you haven't done before. I don't remember if you did it in 4th grade or not. But here we have something called a coordinate graph. You've seen these, and you'll see it on one of the questions today. Actually, 2 of the questions today. And what a coordinate graph is, you'll see them like, okay, the park is located at 6-4. That kind of thing. You've seen it. And what you do when you're putting a coordinate graph together, I mean, I couldn't just say, go to 2, 3. And I couldn't, we'd have to have an order that we do it in. Otherwise, Elizabeth might say 2, 3 is right here. Now let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Amara might say 2, 3 is over here. So we have to have an order that we do it. And so the way we do it is you always do the x-axis and the y-axis in that order. The x-axis is along the bottom. And so you always start, and we start at 0, 0. And hint, 0, 0 are where the x-axis and the y-axis meet. Because the x-axis goes here and meets here, and the y-axis comes down here, and this is where they meet. So, and that's called the origin. The origin is where the x-axis and the y-axis meet. And that's always starts as 0, 0. Now, there are actually 4 coordinates in the coordinate graphing. But in 5th grade, you guys are 5th grade, right? Okay. In 5th grade, we only have to learn 1 of the 4. And we'll show you some other things on it. But this is the origin, y-axis, x-axis. You always start with the number on the x-axis. So if I said for you to go, let's take this out a little bit longer. And let's go 7, 8. And if I asked you to go out to if I gave you this coordinates, and it said 5, 2. So if I say those are the coordinates, 5, 2, and I say we always start on the x-axis, we start at the origin, and we go over 5, and then we would go up 2. So this is where 5, 2 would be. Now later on in the year, for those of you paying attention, we'll have activities where you'll use these to draw pictures, kind of like a dot-to-dot type thing. So we'll get a lot of practice at that. But origins where they meet, x-axis is horizontal, y-axis vertical, and then your ordered pairs are always in parentheses with your x number, comma, your y number, comma. Yes, ma'am?
Will it ever be the opposite way?
Nope. Never be the opposite way. Always x, y. Always x, y. Yes, ma'am? No, you did this like you had a question. I have a question, Mr. McMurdo, but then I called on you and you went. So I thought, because you went like this, that you, okay, you didn't. So that's kind of weird. Kind of weird. All right, so that's going to help you with 1. We're also going to talk about metric conversions here in a second. So if you're watching in Bangalore, then just the video that'll be right by it. Boom! Shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today. If you have a brother or sister, give them a high five. Tell them you love them.